In this video, I'll show you how to use the inkjet online documentation. The online documentation allows you to quickly access information from the manual that corresponds to what you're currently seeing on the screen. To use the online documentation, you'll need a smartphone or tablet with an internet connection. It is available starting with printer software version 83.5. The content always complies with the latest manual and is available in 4 languages: German, English, French, and Spanish. The language display depends on the language you have set on the printer. If you have set another language, the content will always be displayed in English. A new button has been added to the inkjet user interface, the question mark. On the pages, the question mark is always located in the lower right corner. In dialog boxes, the button is always located in the upper right corner. By clicking the question mark button, a dialog box containing a QR code will appear. Scan the QR code with your mobile device. You will be automatically redirected to the relevant information in the manual. The display on the mobile device is responsive. The content automatically adjusts to the orientation and size of the screen. Sometimes it's better to hold the device in landscape orientation. Above the information, you will see the navigation path and a button to print the current page. The navigation path shows where you are in the manual. At the end of the information, you'll find links to additional resources and, if available, the corresponding video tutorial on this topic. The title bar provides additional options for navigation and search. You can use the menu button to show or hide the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, you can browse through the content using the structure and access it directly. You can use the arrows in the title bar to go to the previous or next page. If you want to search for a keyword, tap the search icon in the upper right corner. Enter a keyword, then search the list of results for the best match. The Home button takes you back to the home page of the online documentation. There you can use the tiles in the content area to jump directly to the main chapters. That's it. Now have fun browsing through the content.